Hello episodes, this is my new project Kawasaki KB100 RTZ rebuilt, and these are all the chapters which I've categorized for this restoration project. In that we are in chapter 10, building the parts, and in that we are in part 1. Today we are going to see about the safety aspects, and this is the angle grinder, and that's a cup type brush. And when you switch on this, you can see due to the centrifugal motion, it creates a negative pressure and creates a swell and sucks the object towards it. And an incident happened in previous project when I worked with Suzuki Max 100R, and it may happen to you. And for if you're keeping a cloth for removing the dust or cleaning the object, I ask you to keep away, or you can stay away from that object. And this is the second incident happened to my friend who was holding the object, and this happened because he was not wearing a proper gloves. And the third one, the object was grinded, it was too hot, and I kept my hand there, and this is also due to carelessness. I was not wearing a proper gloves. And this is like the machine is running in a certain direction, and due to higher RPM you have to go in the direction of the machine, but here the object was not holded properly, and due to that this incident happened. In some cases the machine may fall or slip away from your hand. It was you can't control it because due to the centrifugal motion, this type switch is not as the drilling machine type switch. It is a continuous single type on and off switch, and while using that we have to be careful. And while cutting this one, I'm not using a cover for it, and this may also lead to accident. And finally we did all our jobs, and we saw the room. It was fully covered with dust, and we noticed that our respiratory system was fully covered with dust, and we cleaned it with water, cotton swabs and other things. And finally, even after cleaning more than 15 or 16 times, dust was coming out of our respiratory system. And I asked people who are working like this to use proper safety gloves, use a respiratory system to protect respiratory system, use a proper mask, and you mainly use safety goggles, visors or helmets, because these are like string parts running in high speed. It will due to centrifugal force, it will move all along the direction, and it will come and hit your eye sometimes. And it even happened for me also in legs and other parts. The blood was like flowing continuously. And finally these objects like these grinder come with a secondary handle, and I ask you to handle it with both your hands. Even if you are left hander or right hander, it doesn't matter, you can switch the direction. And finally, due to the noise, and this is running in higher RPM and we are working in a room, it was like after completing the job, we felt like hear loss, because the sound was too high. I ask you to use the earplugs when you are using machines like this. And you can enjoy the video in the upcoming parts. You can see and support us and like us, and see you in another video. Thank you.